Hey there, fitness fans. Welcome to your new favorite workout session. Short on time, but still craving that workout glow? We've got you covered. You're in the right place. This is where fitness meets efficiency. We're diving into a 10-minute full-body blast that'll leave you feeling energized and accomplished. It's quick, it's intense, and it's effective. No fancy gym equipment needed, just your amazing self and a can-do attitude. All you need is a small space and a big heart. Let's face it, life gets busy. We all have those days when time just slips away. Sometimes squeezing in a full hour at the gym feels impossible. But don't worry, we've got a solution. But guess what? Short, effective workouts are the secret weapon of the busy individual. They fit perfectly into your hectic schedule. 10 minutes, that's all it takes to make a difference. You can transform your day in just a few moments. This workout is your key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. It's about making the most of every minute. We're talking increased energy, improved mood, and a boost in confidence. The benefits are endless. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. No commute, no hassle. So what are you waiting for? Let's crush this 10-minute workout together. It's time to take control of your fitness journey. Get ready to sweat, smile, and embrace the incredible power of quick fitness. Let's do this. Before we dive into the heart-pumping action, let's warm up those muscles. Warming up is essential to prepare your body for the intense workout ahead. It helps increase blood flow to your muscles, making them more flexible and less prone to injury. A proper warm-up is like stretching your muscles and getting them ready for action. Think of it as a gentle wake-up call for your body, signaling that it's time to get moving. It's like telling your body, get ready to move. Your muscles, joints, and even your mind need this preparation to perform at their best. First up, let's get those legs moving with some high knees. This exercise is great for warming up your lower body and getting your heart rate up. Bring your knees up, high towards your chest, one leg at a time. Keep a steady pace and feel the burn in your thighs and core. Feel that heart rate rising? That's the magic happening. Your body is getting primed for the workout ahead. Next, let's loosen up those arm muscles with some arm circles. This will help increase the range of motion in your shoulders and arms. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles forward, then reverse the direction. Keep your movements controlled and feel the stretch. Feel those shoulders waking up. This exercise is perfect for getting your upper body ready for action. Now for some torso twists. This will help warm up your core muscles and improve your flexibility. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and gently twist your upper body from side to side. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. This will warm up your core and get you ready for the awesome exercises ahead. A strong core is essential for overall stability and performance. Remember, a good warm-up is key to preventing injuries and getting the most out of your workout. It sets the tone for a successful and effective session. So let's get those muscles primed and ready to rock. With a proper warm-up, you're setting yourself up for success and ensuring a safe and productive workout. Get ready to feel the burn with the mighty squat. This exercise is a powerhouse, working your legs, glutes, and core. It's like giving your lower body a high five. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Imagine you're about to sit down in a chair. Lower your hips down towards the ground, bending your knees. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Squats are amazing for building strength and endurance in your lower body. They also improve balance and coordination. Plus, they make you feel like a superhero. Remember to focus on proper form. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and chest lifted. And don't be afraid to modify if needed. You can do it. Get ready to sculpt those arms and chest with the classic push-up. This exercise is a true bodyweight champion, engaging multiple muscle groups at once. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. wrists directly below your shoulders, and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body down towards the ground by bending your elbows. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Push back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. Push-ups are fantastic for building upper body strength and endurance. They also work your core and improve overall stability. Plus, they make you feel like a fitness rock star. Remember to modify if needed. You can do push-ups against a wall or with your knees on the ground. The key is to challenge yourself while maintaining good form. Section 5. Plank it out. Core strength for days. Get ready to engage that core with the mighty plank. This exercise is a true test of strength and endurance, targeting your abdominal muscles, back, and shoulders. Start in a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower yourself onto your forearms. Keep your elbows directly below your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold this position for as long as you can. Planks are incredible for strengthening your core, which improves posture, balance, and stability. They also engage your back muscles, helping to prevent lower back pain. Plus, they make you feel like you can conquer anything. Remember to breathe deeply and engage your core throughout the hold. If you're new to planks, start with shorter holds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Section 6. Cool down champions. Embrace the stretch. We've worked hard, now let's cool down those muscles with some gentle stretches. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps your body transition from high activity to a state of rest. Cooling down helps to reduce muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and promote relaxation. It also aids in the removal of lactic acid buildup in your muscles, which can help prevent stiffness and cramps. Let's start with a hamstring stretch. This stretch targets the muscles at the back of your thighs. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Make sure your back is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Reach towards your toes, keeping your back straight. If you can't reach your toes, that's okay. Just go as far as you can while maintaining good form. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, feeling a gentle pull in the back of your legs. Remember, you should feel a stretch, not pain. Next, let's stretch those quads. This will help loosen up the muscles at the front of your thighs. Stand up and grab your right foot with your right hand. Use a wall or chair for balance if needed. Gently pull your heel towards your glutes, feeling a stretch in the front of your thigh. Keep your knees close together for a better stretch. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Consistency is key for flexibility. Now, for a shoulder stretch. This will help relieve tension in your upper body. Reach your right arm across your body and use your left hand to gently pull it closer to your chest. Keep your shoulder down and relaxed. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. This stretch is great for improving shoulder mobility. Remember to breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your muscles and promotes relaxation. Listen to your body and don't force anything. Stretching should feel good and help you unwind after a workout. Section 7. Repeat and rejoice. Consistency is key. Congratulations on completing your 10-minute full-body blast. Give yourself a high five for prioritizing your health and fitness. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Aim to do this workout 3 to 4 times a week, with rest days in between. As you get stronger, you can increase the duration of each exercise or add more repetitions. The beauty of this workout is that it's completely customizable. You can adjust the intensity and exercises to fit your fitness level and goals. The most important thing is to keep moving and challenge yourself. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. Section 8. Time-saving triumph. Fit for busy bees. Short on time? No problem. This 10-minute workout is designed for busy individuals like you. It's the perfect way to squeeze in a quick workout before work, during your lunch break, or even while dinner is cooking. No need for fancy gym equipment or hours of your time. All you need is 10 minutes and a can-do attitude. This workout proves that you don't need a lot of time to make a difference in your health and fitness. Embrace the power of quick workouts and watch as they transform your daily routine. You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve in just 10 minutes.